headed to the service center, trying to get this, see what the issue with the cameras at night is. Like I told you in my previous video, I'll leave that in the description below. This video is just to basically tell you what's going to happen. If it's a common thing, got about probably around 10 minutes, 13 minutes before I get there, check in, and if I get a loaner, bye. Made it. Let's hope they have a spot, a loaner for me. Wish me luck. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. It was only an hour and 20 minutes, so I really didn't need a loaner. I just pretty much sat in there and was editing some of the footage that you saw with the time lapse on the way up here. I did have them address one more concern besides what's on this video, and we'll save the best for last. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I think it's called a reflex light is what they called it. It was a little loose. It wasn't going anywhere, but it was kind of sticking out. I wanted to get that fixed. I didn't know if they could fix that or not, and it was covered in warranty. I'll show you on the invoice. They verified my concern and they found the reflex light not securing properly, and they replaced it. And that is not the charging port on the driver's side. It looks exactly like it, but it's on the opposite side, on the passenger side. So I'm really glad I got that fixed. Now for what this video is about. Save the best for last. Nothing happened. They basically said it was a common problem. Let's pull up the invoice and let's go through that. Of course, you see my concern. I was just basically explaining it, how it happens mostly at night, 50 miles per hour. Tried to reboot it, still did not fix the problem. What they did, they performed an image capture and found proper images from all cameras. Vehicle is operating as expected at this time. Activity type is common. So I mean, that makes me feel good. At least everything is okay with the cameras and it just happens. He explained to me that when it's so dark, the car really can't see the lines as well. It'll basically do that. And then once it gets proper lighting, then it'll resume. So anybody out there having that problem when you're driving in the pitch dark, they're probably not going to do anything. There's nothing wrong with your cameras. But if it makes you feel better, go get it checked out, make sure everything is good, let them do diagnostic on it or something like that. But I can't close this video out without giving some shout outs. I had two particular comments on my previous video, and this is part 2 of that video. They pretty much hit it on the nail. Let's first recognize Jim Warren. He said, "Thanks for this video. I too have FSD. I do not think you have a camera problem. I have experienced similar messages when I'm in a really dark road. I think the computer interprets lack of visual input as either a blocked camera or a malfunctioning camera. In your video, you will see as soon as you pass the gas station with the bright lights, all the vision related messages disappear and then reappear once you get back on a stretch of really dark road." What else can I say? I mean, he hit it right on the nail. Thank you, Jim, for that comment. Mal, I'm not going to leave you out as well. You pretty much, from what I experienced on the video and from what Jim confirmed as well, you pretty much said it was common, and that's exactly what they said on the invoice as well. That's why I make this channel. I don't know everything, and it's good to have some type of community to kind of help you with stuff like that. So that's what this video is for. When I have some issues or anything like that, I can portray it to the world. So that'll pretty much close out this video. As I promised, I wanted to do a follow-up video from the previous video that I made. That is in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you see fit. And also hit that notification bell, as it will notify you when I do post new videos. This YouTube Ken. I'll see you in the next video.